Hello everyone, welcome back to Nafu's Unique Creations. So today we are going to create something special, something unique, something like a mosaic, but not exactly a mosaic. You can call it a stress buster or you can call it a card of memories. I'm going to show you right now what we are going to create, and let's create it together. So here I've got these materials. So there's a blank white paper. You can also take a chart paper instead of a A4 size paper. I've taken abro tape, a scissor, pencil, ruler, fevicol. And we'll also require two printouts. The size I'll tell you later on in the video. Now let's start with the method. So here I've got this blank white piece of paper. This is A4 size. You can also take a chart paper. Now with my ruler, I'm going to mark at 1 centimeter from the top, at 4 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 13 centimeter and 16 centimeter. I'll draw a line. Now here I'll mark at 1 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 11 centimeter. Lines that I have darkened, as you can see, it forms a plus. All the other external lines, I'll just erase it. Let the markings inside the plus be as it is. Now I've already created this structure and put a template to it in the description box below. You can take a printout, and I've fit 3 on a page. I've also fit 1 on a page, so whichever you want, you can print it out. Now we'll cut on the plus sign. In the same manner, we have to create 25 such pieces. Now the marked lines, you have to fold on those marked lines. Now I'll apply some fevicol on this side. Stick it out here. Do the same with the rest of the 25 pieces. Now I'm going to take 4 of these cubes. I'll take this abro tape. I'll fold this and stick this. We'll cut off the extra. In the same manner, make pairs of 4 and create this. So now I've got this ready. Now on the inside, when you see there's this flap where you are jointed, we'll take both these ends and fold it in the same manner out here, and we'll keep them aligned together and tape it. You have to create one more like this. So I've already created it. And the other boxes, we do not have to join them. We'll stick them separately. Now in the next step, after we have got this ready, I'm going to open it up like this and place them together. Then we'll apply tape on one side and creating a box. In this manner, we have to also do this over here and here. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for more notifications, and like my video. The trick is that there should be a square in the middle. Now we are going to place this in the same manner. Keep on making these squares. So you can make this as big as you want. Now in the same manner how we stuck this line, we are going to stick this line at the bottom. If you create any of the craft works by watching my videos, you can tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your creativity. Our magic cube structure is ready. Now we will decorate this. Now here I've got these two images of these birds. You can take any other image that you like. So the image size is 15 cm by 15 cm. Now I'm going to flip the images and I'm going to mark at a distance of 3. Again, I'm going to flip this image and mark at a distance of 3. We'll do the same thing with the other image. And then later we are going to cut this out. So after cutting the pieces, I've placed it in the right order. Now taking this one by one in the correct order, I'm going to stick it. So here I finished sticking the photograph. In the same manner, we are going to stick the second photograph on the other side. Here I would like to give you a tip that while selecting the images, make sure that the image is nice, bright and lively. Since if you select a dull image, since you're cutting it into pieces, it might not stand out.